Bro.
Vibing. Got the squad out here today. Yeah, so we're gonna be a little late.
Yeah, so this is a vinyl project that we completed just recently, somewhere around 300, 400 square foot. The customer was nice enough to let us get a quick recording so that we could create a time lapse so you guys could just kind of see what we do and how this whole process kind of works. So yeah, please watch the video and enjoy. It's all done.
I like it.
Thank you. Yeah,
Thank you.
we're super happy with the floor. So yeah, that's us two bros putting in a floor. But yeah, making videos is a new thing for us, and we're gonna try to be posting these on a consistent basis every week. Between the actual physical work and then the video editing and all the marketing and all that good stuff that Kyle and I are kind of doing. Sometimes we can't get the video out as quick, but yeah, it's been a fun process, and we're excited to continue pumping out content like this so that we can kind of show other people and our customers within the Oklahoma City area what we're doing in the houses and how we're getting it done. So, but yeah, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.